Hi everyone, welcome to Techlorz YouTube channel. My name is Amar Akhtar. I am here to tell you how to create YouTube channel, how to earn money from YouTube. You will try it on your mobile screen or laptop. We know you have a lot of question in your mind. We make channel for you. You need settings for your channel. First you choose unique name for your channel. Unique name is just to grow channel fastly, grow top 10s numbers, make money in dollars and grow your channel. So let's start our journey. First make Gmail ID on Google. Then you will come to make YouTube channel. It's not a big issue and not a rocket science. After make Gmail, here is Google. Create your Google account. Name, you can select any name for your Gmail. HP videos, HP gamings. Put a password. Password is very unique. Your game. Then you can put your number. Uh, put a verification code. So here is enter your date of birth, month, year. Here you put your gender, male or female, and then next. These option, yes, I'm in. I agree all the terms and conditions. Yes, I am in. So here is our mail is done, and come to we search on YouTube. Here you sign in. You are signing in, and this is one is create a channel. You can change your name or otherwise create channel. Here is our channel is created. So let's start. Next you can upload manage videos. You can go to manage videos and upload your videos and which type of videos, yeah, content you have. Hope so you enjoy our video. Stay tuned with us. Like and subscribe our channel and see our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.